Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to contact PI network support. And if you're having a problem with your PI network account, login issues, mining problem, verification errors or missing reward, PI network has an official support channel to help you solve these issues. And in this video you'll learn how to contact to the PI network support properly so you can get help quickly and effectively. And so the best and fastest way to reach to the PI network support is through the app support feature. First you need to open to your PI network app. If you do not have so, you can go to the app store or the play store and download it from there. And once you reach into this dashboard, in the top left we could see there's a 3-line icon. Select this 3-line. Over here what you can do is on the bottom just below the white paper there's a support portal. Select to the support portal here, and here you can also search any information if you have any for the support, and here select need to raise a request, contact us. And after that, with the support section you may see a chat option or the bot support interface. You can type your problem, upload screenshot, follow prompts to get suggestion on the support ticket, and this is still inside the official app so it's safe and verified. You can type down email, PI username, chat room, what issues you're experiencing, and if you want to describe your issue you can do that as well. And after that you can select send on the bottom, and if you want to screenshot of the issue you can simply select to this browse and you can attach to your photo. And that's how you can contact your PI network support the right way. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and if you have any trouble or confusion please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.